Today we are looking at the Samsung RB37J5330SA Fridge Freezer in silver. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Bring intelligent and stylish refrigeration into your kitchen with the Samsung RB37J5330SA Fridge Freezer. Samsung's Digital Inverter Compressor intelligently varies its power and running speed according to how much cooling is needed, meaning a reduction in both energy consumption and noise level. The compressor also comes with a 10-year guarantee. All-round cooling: ensure your food stays as fresh as possible thanks to the RB37J5330SA's all-around cooling system that maintains even temperatures across the fridge and freezer. With clever storage compartments including a fresh zone and dedicated veg box, you can be sure your favorite foods are kept at their best. Digital Inverter Compressor operating at 6 different speeds. Their Digital Inverter Compressor maintains a consistent temperature and keeps running noise to a minimum by automatically controlling the speed response to the demands of the RB37J5330SA. It's also incredibly durable, reducing energy usage and everyday wear and tear for long-lasting performance. Frost-free. Thanks to Samsung's No Frost technology, you don't have to worry about ice build-up. Their RB37J5330SA is frost-free and maintains a constant temperature throughout. So you can say goodbye to defrosting the freezer and hello to easy refrigeration maintenance. Flexible storage. Now you can store food the way that suits you, with 4 adjustable door bins that are ideal for differently sized items. Adjust the bins to fit bottles, cartons or boxes and maximize your storage space. The slide-in shelf moves in and out to create more space for bulkier items or bottles, so you never have wasted space. Featuring the slim designed wall duct space, Max technology. Their RB37J5330SA provides more usable storage without compromising on performance or exterior dimensions. LED lighting. Find all your favorites quickly and easily thanks to the fridge's bright, long-lasting LED lighting. Packed with useful storage features and a sleek silver finish, the Samsung RB37J5330SA Fridge Freezer makes a smart addition to any modern kitchen. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.